In this video, I'll be showing you how to set an alarm on your Samsung Galaxy A57. So you need to begin by opening up the clock app, and then from here, you want to go to the alarms section. Tap on the plus icon, and then set the time you want the alarm to ring. Choose whether you want it to be a repeatable alarm or just leave the days deselected. And then from here, just give the alarm a name if you want to. Next, you can choose to change the sounds. So you can choose either a Spotify sound, Bixby alarm, or even a ringtone currently from your device. You may need to give necessary permissions for you to access. You can choose to gradually increase the volume the longer it takes for you to turn off the alarm, read the time and name of the alarm out loud, all sorts of things. Once you've done that, you can go back, change for the vibration as well to whatever you like, as well as disable it if you don't want to. You can choose to have a snooze time for the alarm set. And then you can also choose to assign it to an alarm group if you have multiple. You can customize the alarm background to your liking. And then when you're happy with how your alarm is, just tap on save to apply the changes. And like that, you'll have successfully set an alarm on your Samsung Galaxy A57. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.